So here we have the new Spartan integrated downlight. 6 watts, offering an impressive 110 lumens per watt. IP65 rated as standard. Comes with a 2-part connector, very easy, like so. So for first fix purposes, you have 1/2 connector, bring your cable through, you'll connect, push fit terminals, like so, clamp down, away you go. When it comes to second fix, all you'll do is come along and connect like so. It is CCT, warm white, cool white and daylight. A key feature of this fitting is you do not need to disconnect this fitting to do that. If at any point the client turns around and says, I don't want a colour, I want another colour, you'll put it down and change, for example, from warm white to cool white, push back up and job's done. Spring clips with the caps to protect the plasterboard. It is 30, 60 and 90 minute fire rated, as well as 30 minutes on an I-joist and 30 minutes on a metal web joist. As standard, it comes in white, but we also offer a satin nickel bezel, a black bezel and a polished chrome. Very simple. They just clip on over the top of the original, like so, and still maintaining the low profile look, which gives it a high-end feel. Hope that's been informative and see you again soon. So thank you for joining us today on this video. Hope you liked what you saw and found it informative. Please share, like, subscribe under the All LED group, and we'll see you again on the next video.